Today, we are unveiling the ultimate tool that allows you to make your AI influencer say anything you want effortlessly. With just one tool, you can craft personalized messages, create engaging content, and captivate your audience like never before. From customizable voices to seamless integration, this tool has everything you need to bring your AI influencer to life. If you're ready to unlock your full potential of your AI influencer, don't go anywhere. Hit the subscribe button. Let's embark on this incredible journey together. The tool that we'll be using today is this tool called Dup-Dub. To get started, click on sign up for free. You can sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account. After creating an account, you will be redirected right here. To generate an AI avatar, click on AI avatar right here. Over here, you will upload the photo of your AI influencer that you just generated. So this is our AI influencer model. Next thing we will do is we will generate a script for our model. We will use ChatGPT to generate a script for us. We can ask ChatGPT to generate a script for us, and you can see over here it generated an incredible script for us. We can copy some of it and generate a voiceover for our AI influencer. To generate a voiceover, we're going to use another tool called 11 Labs. On 11 Labs, we are going to find an incredible voice for our AI influencer. So let us sample a couple of voices so we can pick the one that we like.
A failure is a man who has blundered but is not capable of cashing in on the experience. If one is lucky, a solitary fantasy can totally transform one. Failure doesn't mean you are a failure, it just means you haven't succeeded yet.
I like Paula, so let us add the voice lab. On speech, we can add Sama as our voice, and then we're going to paste our script. Now, let us generate our voice. Now, to download it, just click on download to download the audio. And the audio will be saved on our computer. Now, go back to Dup-Dub and upload our audio. Now, let us upload the audio, and click on save. And when it's done, click on generate talking avatar, and then click on generate. It will start processing, and when it's done, we will be notified on our email. Our video is ready. Now to download it, click on the three dots right here and click on download the video, and the video will be downloaded on our computer. The next thing we'll do is we will try to edit our video for virality purposes. You can choose to edit your video right here on Dup-Dub, or you can choose to edit your video right here on CapCut. Let us upload the video that we just downloaded. After the video has been uploaded, now to try and customize it for virality on social media. So we are going to add music to our videos. You can choose to come over here to your YouTube studio, to the audio library, and sample a couple of music audios right here, and then download the one that you like, and then you can upload it on CapCut. Drag the music down below right here. We can cut the audio. To generate captions for our video, we're going to click on captions, then click on auto captions, pick the language, which is English, then click on generate, and CapCut will generate the captions for our video. So here are the captions for our video. Now to customize our captions, click on presets. I think this one is great. We can also choose an animation. To download our video, click on export right here to export our video. Now before I show you the video of our AI influencer, here's another different method that you can use to generate a talking AI influencer model. On Dup-Dub avatar, just come over here where it says avatar description, and then you can write the prompt of the AI avatar that you want to generate and click on generate right here. It will take a few seconds to generate an avatar. Dup-Dub AI generated 4 avatars for us, so we can pick any one of these avatars. So let us pick this one. Now we can upload our audio that we generated previously on 11 Labs. When it's uploaded, click on save, then click on generate a token avatar and click on generate. So it will start processing our video, and when it's done, it will send us a notification on our email. See that our video is ready. To download it, click on the 3 dots and click on download video. To customize our video, repeat the same process you did on CapCut. So upload the video right here. We can also add music that we used previously. After we have added the caption, music, and we have edited our captions the way we would like to, we can export now the video. I'll click on export right here and click on download. Then the video will be exported and saved on our computer. And let us play and watch our first video.
Dreams without action are but fleeting fantasies. Take bold, decisive action towards your goals every single day. No step is too small, no effort too insignificant. It is the cumulative effect of consistent action that propels you towards your dreams. Surround yourself with positivity and with people who lift you higher. Cultivate a supportive network of individuals who believe in your dreams and encourage you to chase them relentlessly.
Let us play and watch our second video that we just created.
Dreams without action are but fleeting fantasies. Take bold, decisive action towards your goals every single day. No step is too small, no effort too insignificant. It is the cumulative effect of consistent action that propels you towards your dreams. Surround yourself with positivity and with people who lift you higher. Cultivate a supportive network of individuals who believe in your dreams and encourage you to chase them relentlessly.
Thank you for joining us today on our exploration of AI innovation. Hope you found this video insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed what you saw and want to stay updated on the latest advancement in AI technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me. And remember, if you have any questions or ideas of future videos, leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. See you in the next video.